In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to invite your friends in Gang Beasts on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a private match in Gang Beasts and how to invite your friends online. So you will be able to do this on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. The process is exactly the same. When you choose the option to play from the main menu of Gang Beasts, you have to make sure that you go over to an online lobby. So first, I'm going to teach you how to invite them if both of you are on different locations and both of you have your own console and copy of Gang Beasts. And later, I'm going to talk about split screen, which also works if both of you are on the same location with two controllers. So to invite them online, after you create an online lobby, you will be able to press triangle. This will allow you to press square to invite your friends to the match. So to keep it simple in summary, go to online and in there you will be able to find the option to invite them. When you tap invite on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will see the PlayStation Network friends list, and from there you can send them the invite. They will get a notification that they can accept to join your specific lobby. So you just have to make sure that you added them over the PlayStation Network. If you are having trouble with this, it is recommended that they send the invite over because sometimes the host might have trouble. But as long as you create an online lobby and you press the respective buttons, usually triangle and then square, you will find the invite menu. Once they accept, they will join and you can go ahead and start the match. Whoever is hosting will need to control all of the options and settings and they will be able to ready up and play. So all that you have to do is choose online and then use the respective buttons to open the PlayStation Network friends list. This can also be done on other consoles and different platforms. For split screen, you just have to connect an additional controller, assign a user account, and when you press start on the additional controller, they will immediately join the lobby. I hope I was able to help you on how to invite your friends in Gang Beasts on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.